In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Zen Browser color. Now, the first thing you have to do here, you want to go to the settings, and the way you do this is by going to the top left, clicking on those three dots, and then here at the bottom, it's going to say settings. Open the settings up and then go into general, and then you want to scroll down a bit, and here you will have the choice. You could either go ahead and use the light mode or the dark mode, which for me is automatic. So automatic means your current system mode. If you have Windows set to dark mode, it's going to basically set to dark, but if you have light, it's going to be set as light automatically. However, if you don't want light or dark, but you want a custom color, you can do that as well by following the steps, okay? So just come down here where it says contrast color, and where it says custom, click on custom, click on manage colors, and then here where it says background, you can just click on this color over here, which should be like white or darkish depending on whichever color you have currently. Click on that, and then you can basically just slide around and select the color, or click on one of these colors over here on the right hand side. I'm going to select this purplish color over here and then press OK. And when you click OK again, it's going to change the color and basically change your Zen browser color, okay? Of course, you could go ahead and manage colors of text as well, the unvisited links, the visited links, etc. This can all be customized. It's completely up to you, and you can do it in here inside these settings. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.